if a girl, if me and you they do that thing, you can't dey scream pass. So be say I know say my prick not too big. Na red flag.
It be your red flag on a girl.
My red flag. Red flag on a girl plenty now. I get plenty red flag. You understand? If a girl, you understand? If a girl tell me say make I send and transport money, me she take on see me na red flag.
One.
And if a girl, if me and you they do that thing, you can't dey scream pass. So be say I know say my prick not too big. Na red flag.
Continue.
You understand? And girl where they squirt instead of to dey pour water. A red flag. So if you know say you get all this kind of thing, na better red flag.
Make them avoid you.
Make them just avoid me. I don't like that kind of person.
Okay.